Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while and I'm so excited to be here with you today. In this video, we're diving into the topic of home and exploring essential IELTS vocabulary related to places we live. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or planning to live in an English-speaking country, you won't want to miss this. Practice these words every night, and in just 30 days, you'll notice a huge improvement. So let's jump in and start learning these must-know words together. Here we go. Gutter. It means a shallow trough fixed beneath the edge of a roof to carry off rainwater. Example, the gutter was clogged with leaves, causing water to overflow during the storm. This is a gutter. Dormer. It means a window that projects vertically from a sloping roof, often with its own small roof. Example, the dormer on the house added extra light to the attic bedroom. This is a dormer. This is a dormer. This is a dormer. Roof. It means the structure forming the upper covering of a building, protecting it from weather. Example, the roof was covered with red tiles to match the neighborhood aesthetic. This is a roof. This is a roof. This is a roof. Antenna, US. It means a device used to receive or transmit radio or television signals. Example, the antenna on the roof picked up clear TV signals from distant stations. Aerial, UK. It means a device similar to an antenna used for receiving or transmitting signals, often for TV or radio. Example, they installed a new aerial to improve their television reception. This is an antenna. This is an aerial. This is an antenna. This is an aerial. Tile. It means a thin, flat piece of material, often ceramic or asphalt, used to cover roofs or walls. Example, the roof tiles were replaced after the storm damaged several of them. This is a tile. Chimney. It means a vertical structure that conducts smoke and gases from a fire out of a building. Example, smoke billowed from the chimney as the fireplace roared inside. This is a chimney. Chimney pot. It means a short pipe fitted to the top of a chimney to improve draft and disperse smoke. Example, the old house had decorative chimney pots that added charm to the roofline. This is a chimney pot. Satellite dish. It means a parabolic antenna designed to receive or transmit satellite signals. Example, the satellite dish was mounted on the roof to access hundreds of TV channels. This is a satellite dish. This is a satellite dish. This is a satellite dish. Mailbox. It means a box outside a home where mail is delivered and collected. Example: she checked the mailbox every morning for letters and packages. This is a mailbox. This is a mailbox.
What's this? 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 What's this?
Fantastic work on keeping up with our English lesson today. I hope you found this story helpful and the new vocabulary interesting. If you're interested in preparing for the IELTS exam this year, you can also join our membership channel where you can study for the exam alongside Kevin, share learning experiences and tips. We will regularly release exclusive videos for members along with customized IELTS study plans. We look forward to having you join us. Keep practicing your English, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, and happy learning.